Hey everybody, it's your girl Allie, and it looks like it has arrived from Second Nature. All right, it's here. And I know you're thinking, what does she mean it's here? Well, these are my filters. My air filters are here. So this is a quick how-to on how to change out the air filters. They arrive once a month, and I just change them out when they get here. So I'm going to show you how to change out the air filters. If you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View, and this is another little how-to video showing you how to change out the air filters in your home so that you too will have fresh air. So the filters are here. They just arrived. Everybody, I already started to cut this open, and then I got to thinking I might as well show y'all everything, so I thought I'd wait a little bit. So, musictomyairs.com. Second Nature. There's two different filters that you see in here. There's one that is, well, this is the expiration date. Lets you know when they can come out. And they're usually put in there every 30 days. Like I said, this is from Second Nature. They deliver these. And you simply put them in. Now, this is the 14 by 20 by 1. That's the actual size of the filter. You notice that they sent two filters here because there's two different filters that I'll be replacing. So you'll get to see how to replace a filter. But this is the size. You can see the filter size right on the outside on both the sides and the back. And then you can see the date that it expires. And of course, Second Nature is the company that makes these filters. So stay tuned. We'll show you how to replace them. Everybody. So I'm showing you how to replace an air filter in your home. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Don't rely on anybody else. You can see this one is dusty. It's coming out. And then, of course, that was at the end of June. So that's dirty. You can see how nasty that one is. And then this goes in just like so. We just set it in there. And I usually sit it in there where the expiration date is out. It's all flushed. Then you just shut this. And it latches. And then you just push down on it to get it to lock. Push down on it to get it to lock. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, be sure that you hit that subscribe button. You are watching Allie's View. And this is how you replace an air filter. That's the 14 by 20 by 1. So we'll take a look at the other one as well. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Upstairs. Now we've got the next one. Of course, it's the exact same filter that you saw when we were downstairs from Second Nature. The same expiration date, 7/30/2020. This one actually is a different size, 20 by 20 by 1. So they will ship you based on what your needs are. And so let's go ahead and get this thing replaced. Let's see what we've got. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View. And we like to show you things that we're doing, what we're up to on this channel, trying to have fun and enjoy ourselves each and every single day. So again, we're going to go ahead and open this. If you don't know how to, if you're new to changing out filters in your home, you see this one has already come on down along with it. And it's kind of gotten a little dirty. You can see it's time for it to be replaced. That way you're not breathing in all that dirt or whatever. And so we go ahead and we put it right up in here, just like this. And of course you can see the expiration date. You can see that right there, expiration date. And then you just simply close it. You simply close it up, just like we did with the one downstairs, so that it's secure. I'll probably come through and do some dusting. But you're watching Allie's View, and that is how to change the filter for your HVAC, your air conditioning unit in your home. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. We'd love to have you as a member of Allie's View.